Today I'm going to show you how to make a salt dough recipe. The first thing you need to have are 2 mixing bowls, some flour, salt, warm water, vegetable oil, and you need to have measuring tools. So this one is going to be a teaspoon and this is going to be a tablespoon. We are going to be using the tablespoon for measuring. I'm going to take my flour and I'm going to measure out 4 tablespoons of flour. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to take my salt and I'm going to do half of that. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of salt. 1, 2. I'm going to take my teaspoon and I'm going to mix that all together. Now I'm going to take the second mixing bowl and I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons of warm water. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil. I'm going to take my flour and salt that's already pre-mixed and I'm going to place it right inside of the bowl. And start mixing it. Now, it looks a little sticky, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put just a tad bit more flour. Just a little bit of flour, probably about 1 tablespoon. And just mix it in. Now I'm going to get all of the dough out, and you can already see it's kind of forming into a ball. Take just a sprinkling of flour on my table here, and I'm just going to roll it out. You can see that it's already rolling out. I can form it into a ball, a sphere. Very good. So now I have just created my own personal recipe of salt dough. Finally, the last step for your salt dough recipe, You're going to take a plastic bag, place it inside, make sure you get all or most of the air out, and place it into a fridge, and you're all set.